Hi guys, welcome to my another video. In this session we will discuss about Pythagoras theorem of 10th class students and see about its statements. In a right triangle, in a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the same other two sides of square. And in this triangle A B C, okay, proof AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We can prove it, and in there let us draw a perpendicular. It is exactly perpendicular to the hypotenuse, and it is a D. B is a 90 degree, D is a also 90 degree, and in this triangle it's as a 90 degree. Its both triangles are similar. Now BD is perpendicular to AC. Triangle ADB is similar to ABC. Theorem. We can get only two sides in their triangle, okay, only two. AD is a base of the triangle, so AD divided by AB is a hypotenuse of this triangle. ABD, hypotenuse of this triangle is AB, is equal to, in this triangle its base of the side is a AB, and ABC is its hypotenuse is the AC, because B is a 90 degree, so its opposite side is a hypotenuse, so AC is a hypotenuse of this triangle. And we multiplying opposite sides of this AD is multiplying into AC is equal to AB square, okay. And also triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. In there BDC it's only we get two sides of this triangle. Its one is a CD base of this side, and its hypotenuse is a BC, okay, is equal to ABC. Its side is a BC, base side is a BC, and its hypotenuse is a AC. And we multiplying opposite sides, CD multiplying AC is equal to BC square. Adding to 1 and 2, okay, it is a 1, it's a 2. AD into AC plus CD into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. and in there AC is a common, so we get only one AC. In their bracket we can write AD and CD. AD plus CD is equal to AB square plus BC square. In there sync AD plus CD is equals to AC. We can write in AC plus AC into AC. We can write in their place AD plus CD, so equal to AC, so we can write in their places AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC into AC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it's your 10th class Pythagoras theorem. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe and share.